Hey guys, how are you? It's Benji, and today I want to show you guys how to buy some cars on the desktop version of our application. Remember, we also have a desktop version that you can do exactly what you can do on the mobile version. You can do on the desktop as well. And if you want to be able to sit down somewhere comfortably and just take a look at our application on a bigger screen, you can do that with the desktop version. All right, so I'm just going to dive right into it. This is my dashboard right here, so I can see if I have any active listings. Then I can buy listings from here just by clicking view more. These are my drafts, and then all the sold listings as well. So the way you do this is you go to buy, go to shop active vehicles, and then you can see all the vehicles that are currently live, right? All the cars. Okay. So now you can also click up here to change what kind of cars, what kind of listings you're looking at. So if you want to look at some trying to trades, you can click there, only trying to trades, or if you want to only see doors vehicles, you can click here. So these are the kind of cars I want to show you guys, doors. Okay, so now it'll only show me doors vehicles, right? Remember, these are cars that are owned by the dealership that are selling. If the reserve is met, it's sold at the reserve. Okay, so for example, let's click on a Mercedes. Actually, I want to show you this really quickly before I forget. You can also favorite it from here, and it goes to your favorites tab, and that way you can watch that car from there. So if you want to specifically get notifications for a specific car, you click on this favorites heart, and you'll get notifications every time something happens with that listing. Okay, you can also click on the gavel here, and you can place a bid. Current offer is 48.3. Have to be higher than that. Oh, right, to place an offer. This is a straight offer right here. But if you don't want to completely watch that vehicle all the time, you can submit a proxy offer, and it'll work for you. You don't have to do anything. Submit a proxy offer, and remember, we won't give away all your money. Only whatever the last bid is, whatever the vehicle final offer is, then that's what the number is. Okay. I actually don't want to buy this car. I would if I could, but I can't. So let's go ahead and go into the condition report of this vehicle. So click on the image itself. Okay. Now let's go into the images right here. You have a nice gallery here. All right. You can go ahead and do it that way. As you can see, you get notifications as well. Right. Let's take a look at a nice one here. Let's go to the interior. Or I can just jump right to the specific images I want to take a look at, as you can see. You can also click the middle here. You can see everything in bigger tiles. That way it takes up your entire screen. Okay. Click the X on the top right to exit. Okay, that takes you back to the tiles images. Go back, click the X again. Now, as you can see, it'll tell you that it's green light, yellow, or blue up here. Green light meaning that it has a full warranty. Now, it also tells you the transportation for our application. This is indicated from the location of the vehicle to your specific location. Okay, tells you all the information of the vehicle. Now you can also place a bid right here. Okay, place a bid right here. Take a look at the condition report. Now it tells you all the additional equipment as well. Now anything in red that you see, that means that there's an announcement and that you need to take a look at that before proceeding. So that way you understand that there's something either wrong, or maybe there's just maybe some damage on the vehicle. This car doesn't have any. So let me go to a car that does. Let's go back. So that way you kind of understand what I mean by that. That's a great example of a very clean car. Now let's take a look at a car that is missing a piece of it. As you can see, it is right here. Looks like a shark took a bite of that. All right, so let's go back and let me show you what I mean when there are some red tabs. So for example, right here it's red. That means there has some exterior damage. Sometimes they put some notes on there, and you can see what the damages are. Some scratches, bumpers, obviously. Okay, and then the tires, the wheels as well. So let's take a look here. Has some curb rash right here, and at the bottom as well. All right, and yeah. So if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, give us a call. We'll be more than glad to help you out. You can also check out our tutorials right here. So if you click on your profile tab, click on the tutorials videos tab right here, and it'll take you to our YouTube page where you can take a look at some of our tutorials from our mobile version as well. And yeah, thank you guys for listening, and have a good day. Bye bye.